Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Sainsbury's credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in the official URL for Sainsbury's online banking account, which is www.sainsburysbank.co.uk into the URL box and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official site of Sainsbury's Bank. You'll need to log into your online banking account in order to activate your credit card, so go to the top right hand corner and click on the login/register drop-down. Select the cards, loans and savings option from the pop-up and click the login button. Enter your credentials in the text boxes on the next page in the login area. Start off by typing in your username for your online banking account, and then if you've forgotten your username, click on this forgotten your username link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username. If you're also having trouble remembering other details for your bank account, then click on forgotten all your login details and follow the instructions. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this little box beneath that says remember me, but leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. You'll need to type in your mobile number on the last field. Type in the last 3 digits of your mobile number. Once you've typed in the last 3 digits of your mobile number, click the continue button. On the next page, you'll need to type in the one-time passcode sent to your mobile number, and once you do that, you'll be able to access your Sainsbury's online banking account. Simply click on the credit card tab and click on activate credit card in order to activate your new credit card for Sainsbury's Bank. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.